Burj Khalifa means Caliph Tower. Khalifa is derived from the name of Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Maktoum, who is president of Abu Dhabi as well as United Arab Emirates. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world and a global icon, truly a feat of engineering. The building represents the conceptual art and soul of the city of Dubai. Opened in January 2010, the gigantic 160-story skyscraper located in the heart of the downtown Burj Khalifa district. Just over a decade since it opened, the Burj Khalifa is today iconic. Burj Khalifa was designed by Adrian Smith from Chicago-based architecture firm Skidmore, Owings & Merrill. It has been photographed by millions of people traveling from around the world, and it also played a key role in one of the most gripping stunt acts in the recent years, alongside Tom Cruise in Mission Impossible. In addition to its impressive height, it's characterized by a massive arrow-shaped structure. The Burj Khalifa has been the tallest skyscraper in the world for over a decade. It's the most important tourist attraction in Dubai. The architectural height of Burj Khalifa is 828 meters, or 2,717 feet. This is measured to the top of the spire, as its spire is considered an architectural element of the tower. Before 2010, Burj Khalifa's height has been long kept a secret to prevent it from being surpassed by potential competitors. This building far surpasses the other two tallest skyscrapers globally, namely the Shanghai Tower, 632 meters in China, and the Makkah Clock Royal Tower, 601 meters in Saudi Arabia. It is comprised of almost 40,000 tons of steel and sets nearly a dozen world records with its construction. The Burj Khalifa is immense. The highest occupied floor is 154, which is 584 kilometers from the ground. For public sightseeing, there are 3 observation decks, respectively on levels 124, 125, and 148. The one on level 148 is now the world's highest observation deck at a height of 555 meters. The towering structure is based on an abstraction of the Hymena Calis flower and is essentially 3 sections arranged around a central one. Around the base of the mighty tower, you will find a vibrant hub of entertainment and dining, featuring the Dubai Mall, the choreographed musical Dubai Fountain, and a plethora of tourist attractions to keep you and the fellow swarms of admirers busy. The interiors of the highest floors reflect celestial influences, inspired by the notion of a stationary spacecraft. This is in contrast to the lower floors, which evoke the natural elements of the land. Apart from glass, stainless steel, and polished dark stones, the interiors also feature silver travertine flooring, Venetian stucco walls, handmade rugs, stone flooring, and dark, intricate Brazilian Santos rosewood to reflect shelter, comfort, and above all, restrained luxury. The surface area of the Burj Khalifa is quite simply out of the ordinary, with 309,000 square meters on living floors and 3 floors of technical rooms. It has 57 elevators and 8 escalators, which is a record. The fastest of these elevators can reach upwards a speed of 11 meters per second or 40 kilometers per hour. The construction required more than 330,000 cubic meters of reinforced concrete and 39,000 tons of steel beams. For a truly special time, visitors can choose to dine in the restaurant at Lounge Atmosphere on the 122nd floor or experience new heights at the Lounge Burj Khalifa, which is spread across floors 152, 153, and 154, making it the tallest lounge on the planet. At the top, Burj Khalifa tickets start at $159, while you can further explore engaging experiences like a 3-course set menu at the Burj Club with rooftop access from $259 or fountain tours from $20. Burj Khalifa consumes 946,000 liters of water per day. It is the amount of water needed to operate the air conditioning in the tower each day. The Burj Khalifa is a massive consumer of energy and water. The colossal cost of Burj Khalifa is $1.5 billion, a pharaonic price at the height of this construction of all records. Every year, a fireworks show or laser show will take place on Burj Khalifa on New Year's Eve, attracting thousands of people to watch on the scene, and millions watch online at the same time. The ruler of Dubai once said on Twitter that the idea of building the Burj Khalifa was inspired by a visit to the Empire State Building in New York City many decades ago in the 1960s. Empire State Building was the tallest building in the world by that time. The ruler got deeply inspired by it and generated the idea of the tallest building in his own homeland. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified of our next videos, and we will see you in the next one.